Yo, YouTube fam, what is good? Welcome back to another episode. Today, I am going to be installing my NRG wheel setup, the whole shebang. So I'm going to be doing this today. I made it very clear, rain or shine, doesn't matter the weather, I'm going to do this today. So I'm going to go on ahead and basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be walking you guys through basically what you'll be needing to do on how to do this if you ever decide to do a quick release setup on your vehicle. This is going to be a DIY for the 2003 Infiniti G35 first gen, of course, so I'm going to be doing that for you guys today. So a few things that you actually want to make sure you have and things that you need to do. So I'm going to go on ahead and put you guys on the tripod real quick, and then I'm going to be showing you exactly the tools you're going to be needing, and pretty much is a very easy install. So I'm pretty excited to get this going for you guys today. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so it is pouring outside like crazy, but I did tell myself that rain or shine, I'm actually going to be doing this install because I really want to get my new NRG setup on the car ready. So, and I honestly don't remember what my next day off is, and I really don't want to wait till my next day off. So what I went on ahead and did first, this is what you definitely need to do first as well. That way your airbag, when you're unscrewing this, your airbag doesn't go off and hit you in the face. So what you want to do is you want to disconnect the negative terminal on your battery. That way you can go on ahead and remove your airbag safely and it doesn't blow up in your face like I mentioned. So the tools that you're going to be needing for this job, very simple tools, nothing crazy. You're going to be needing a ratchet. You're going to be needing a 19mm socket, which will be for the bolt in the middle of the steering wheel, which I'll show you which one it is. I went to AutoZone this morning and I went and bought myself these tamper screws because I did not have any, and it looks like I'm going to be needing them, and I'll be showing you guys where those tamper screw things where you're gonna be using them to be able to release the steering wheel. So let's go on ahead and get to it. It's gonna be kind of difficult for me because I am a little bit cramped up in the car. I'm a big boy, so I'm gonna do my definite best to make sure that I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about and what you're gonna be unscrewing. So let's go on ahead and get into that, guys. Alrighty guys, so these are the screws that I was talking about that you are actually going to be needing to unscrew first in order to be able to take off the middle of the steering wheel, which is basically the airbag. So these things usually come with these little clips right here. Very easy to take off. You could either use your nails if you have some nails, or just grab a small flathead so you can pop that out. Very easy, not that difficult. And then we're going to get to unscrewing this. I'm going to go on ahead and set you guys up on the tripod. Alrighty guys, so we're going to go on ahead and begin unscrewing this. So the size for this is a T25H, so that's what you're going to want to use. If you have a ratchet, that would definitely come in handy. So what you're going to do now is you're going to put this guy in here, and we're going to begin unbolting it. So you want to make sure that you're really careful when doing this so you're not stripping the bolts. Looks like that's not working. I want to make sure I'm not stripping the bolt either, because if you strip the bolts, you're going to have a problem and you're not going to be able to take it off. So I believe maybe the size was wrong. I believe it's a T20. So let's find out. Alright, so it is a T25. This is very, very scared because I really don't want to strip this. All right, guys, so we definitely got a problem. I think I stripped the bolt. Now I gotta try to figure out how to do this. So let me figure this out and we'll get back to you. So this is the damage that I have completely caused. I got so frustrated. I used all the strength in my wall, in the world. So you can see the bolt's still in there. Let me see if it'll focus. Focus, there we go. The bolt's still in there. This is completely bent. I was able to take off all these connectors. I was able to take off that bolt, which means now I'll be able to remove the steering wheel completely. So what I'm gonna go on ahead and do is try taking off the steering wheel, and let's get started on putting on the new one. Alrighty guys, so man, I've been at it since 12:30. I don't know what time it is now, I haven't checked, but I finally got it installed, guys. You guys have no idea the struggle with that damn temper screw. I'm so like upset. I was really trying to keep my OEM steering wheel, but you know what? Now I'm not gonna use it, so I gotta make sure that I take real good care of this one. But the install was very easy. You know, I just powered on my car. I don't have the airbag light on my dash, so that means I did it good. So I'm pretty proud of myself, except for the temper screw. That's, forget it. If you guys are gonna be doing something like this, I definitely recommend to be really careful with the bolt. You know, make sure that you're using a T30, not a T27. I made a boo-boo on that, but you know what? This is the purpose of these videos. You know, I make these videos because I'm no expert. I'm literally learning and doing things for the first time, just like you guys will if you're doing it. And honestly, learn from my mistake and make sure not to do the same mistake that I made. But let me go on ahead and show you guys real quick what the steering wheel looks like in the setup. I'm loving it. Literally, this is so much cleaner. I'm so in love with it. I have to show you guys what I'm talking about. Check this out. So there you have it, guys. I'm in love with this steering wheel. It looks so nice, and as you can tell, it matches my interior, so hence why I went with it. Now, I just got a phone call, I want to say maybe 30 minutes ago. My wheels are done, guys. Literally, the moment I got that call, that's the only thing that literally motivated me to make sure I got this new steering wheel on, because I'm so ready to go pick up my wheels. They sent me a picture. My God, they look so good, guys. I did not expect for the wheels to come out that great. Like, I mean, let me take that back. I wasn't expecting for my wheels to look that good. Like, damn, they look dope. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go on ahead and clean up my mess real quick. I finally got my steering wheel on. I'm gonna be heading over to CP Auto South to pick up my wheels. I hope they're still open. Go pick up my wheels and possibly finally mount them on the car. I don't know, but you gotta stay tuned. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like this video, comment down below. Tell me whatever you want to tell me. Tell me I'm a dumbass for messing up my OEM steering wheel. I'll take it, but learn from me, guys. I'm so excited. We got one thing down, one more to go. The next thing is gonna be paint job, so that's gonna be my next mission. Is I'm gonna be looking around in the AV area to see who does auto body work and paint job, to where they're not gonna charge me an arm and a leg, because honestly I am keeping the same color, so I know painting the same color is not gonna be expensive. I know I'm adding the pearl or the metallic flakes to it just to give it that extra bedazzle to make the car pop, but we'll see. But other than that, guys, that is all for me today. Thank you so much for checking out today's episode. Comment down below how much of a dumbass I was for messing up my OEM wheel. I'll take it. But make sure to subscribe, comment, like this video. Your boy is out. That is all for me today. We will see you next time.